seeing a spectacular rally over the last 1 year. It's very quiet today's session, but over the last 1 year, in fact, the stock has gained a good 145% and been up 33% from November lows. Also, currently the focus for the company is in boosting injectable business. Let's connect with the management and get in more details then. Mahendra G. Patel, who's the CMD of the company, now joins us on the show. Mr. Patel, great to have you with us on Hot Stocks. First up,
Hello.
we'd like to know what's the company's plan for the injectables business and what's the current revenue that you are generating and where do you see it at the end of the year?
See, for the injectable, we have bought 100% stake in our and make a subsidiary injectable company, Lincoln Parental. So there is a manufacturing base is ready, and we have a dry powder injectable, liquid injectable, and we are planning. Mostly, it is completed. We are getting a WHO Geneva registration for anti-malaria products for the African market. So, and the domestic injectable business is also good. So this way, the injectable business is good for the Lincoln Pharma. And for the tablet and cream ointment facility, we have just completed the enhancement of the facility. We have added the capacity nearly 3 times in the present plant and redesigned the factory, redesigned the plant, and today it is completed. So that also added the turnover in the coming time. So we are seeing that it will be good for the company.
Sure, and we'd also like to know, Mr. Patel, how much funds will you employ for the injectables business and currently which markets do you cater to for the space?
For the injectable, actually that was a 70% was held by Lincoln Pharma, the company which we have bought 100%. In that case, we have invested nearly 7.5 or 7.8 or something like crore invested in the Lincoln Parental and make a 100% subsidiary of the Lincoln Pharma. So for injectable, in this financial year, we have invested 7.5 or 7.7 crore rupee for injectable.
How many of your
And
plans?
and the future plan is to register more and more countries and to add some more valuable products in the that segment. And we will make a big portfolio for our present customers, which can be increased business and facility will be utilized totally.
How many of your plants are USFDA approved, Mr. Patel?
At present, we have no US FDA approved plant, but
Okay.
we have bought the land and we already started the work. And that plant we are going to set up a US FDA, UK MHRA. That facility is in the process. It is not completed.
And if you can also tell us about which countries cater to the export growth of the company and is the company looking at the US markets at this point of time?
We are presently covered the African market, totally African countries, nearly 24 countries we are covering in Africa. In Southeast Asia, we are covering 10 to 12 countries. In Latin and Central America, we are covering 10 to 12 countries. Now we have already started in the Gulf, and Gulf, nearly 5, 6 countries we are covering today. This year it is progress for Gulf, and we are submitting dossiers and everything for CIS countries. So maybe the next financial year we will get business from CIS also. So in totality, this portfolio is semi-regulated market, and except Gulf we have we are just covered the Gulf market. So this is geographically we are covering the international market.
Okay, Mr. Patel, always good chatting with you. Thanks very much for taking time out and sharing your business outlook with us on Hot Stocks.
Thank you very much.
Well, that's the management of